Welcome to Day Bella Gallico 8.4 pre-reading, the last sentence, woohoo! This chapter is filled with all sorts of ablative nouns, so I thought you'd want to take a second and look at the various ways the ablatives work in sentences. So, number one, the ablatives go with things that are passive things. For example, check this out. Helvetii repulsi telis. Okay, we've got the Helvetians as a subject. We have a perfect passive participle here. Look, passive things. So we need an ablative to show what's doing the action. So how would we translate this? The Helvetians, having been repulsed or pushed back by what? What did the pushing back of the Helvetians? Oh, the spears. So here we've got the ablative spears to show what's responsible, who or what is responsible for the pushing back of the Helvetians. Okay, the ablative is also used to show where things happen. For example, if you say that they are crossing wadis fluminous, where are those guys crossing? Oh, they're crossing in the shallow portions of the river, in the shallows. So that's ablative to show place where. Oh, we can't forget out this fun construction. Ablatives, of course, are essential for the ablative absolute. For example, if you have this phrase, navibus junctis. Look, we've got an ablative noun and an ablative participle, so it's an ablative absolute. With the ships having been joined together. That requires ablative stuff. And the last ablative we see in this chapter is the ablative of separation. The Helvetians are described as dejecti, spe. They're cast down from a hope, which means more like they're separated from the hope. They have the hope that they can do what they want, but they are separated from that hope, so that hope is in the ablative. Another example is desisterant conatu. Okay, without giving any spoilers, let's see what happens. Desisterant means they stop, and conatu is an attempt. Again, we're separating. They stop themselves from this attempt. So the ablative can show separation from hope, from something that you want. Keep your eye out in this chapter. I think I counted 8 nouns in the ablative, and that doesn't even include the participles and adjectives that go with them. So watch out. There are all sorts of ways you can work with the ablative here.